Hi, I'm Joanna, and today I'm going to show you how to measure and install your blinds like a professional. 99% of blinds are fitted within the frame, which is why this is the style of measure and installation you will see today. For more information on how to measure and install your blinds on the face of the window frame, please see the link on the website. What you will need is a metal tape measure, a pen and paper, a screwdriver or drill. Once you've decided on the colour and style of blind you'd like to purchase, the rest is easy. Step 1. Measure the exact wood-to-wood width of the window frame. Step 2. Measure the exact height of the window frame, also inside the frame. Step 3. Decide which side you would prefer to have the control, left or right, and whether you need a longer or shorter control depending on your situation. Step 4. Follow the easy step-by-step ordering process on the website and we'll deliver your beautiful new blinds right to your door. Next, I'll show you how to install your beautiful new blinds. Firstly, a 25mm slimline aluminium Venetian has this style of bracket and must be placed 10 cm in from each end, with centre brackets placed between the tapes. And the head rail of the blind clips into the bracket like this. The wood look and wooden blinds have this style bracket and is fitted this way, with a fascia to attach once your blind is sitting inside its brackets. Our roller blinds have male and female brackets, which requires the control side to be fitted first, followed by the opposite end. You can turn the cog on the sidewinder to allow the nib to lock into the bracket like this. The vertical blinds are a two-step process, with the track being fitted first with a bracket like so, followed by the blades. The blades may not sit straight after being coiled together for transporting. However, after 48 hours they will settle and hang without any curling. We hope you enjoy your beautiful custom-made blinds.